vlogs, I usually walk. Yes, and now I'm walking. That's my hobby. I'll walk you through our campus. This is my routine when I was in high school. So that's the 5th tip I could give you. For you to have an active life, make sure to walk. So pag may mga panahon na malapit lang naman yung pupuntahan nyo, maglakad na lang kayo. Exercise yon, plus makakatipid pa kayo ng pangpamasahe. Yes, pumasok ako sa lobby na check. Oh, it's closed. No, the school is closed. Saan ako dadaan? Yeah. Diba? Parang maze. Tapos, just kidding aside, yeah. So that's my school. Yeah. So morning I walk. Then when I go home, ouch, I tripped again for the second time. When I go home, I also walk. So there you go. That's the high school, and let's go back. Yes. So nandito tayo ulit sa gate. Ito naman yung route ko nung college. So I pass the right side of the campus papunta sa likod ng campus. And most of my classes begins at 10 a.m. So I would leave the house at 9 kasi halos magwa 1 hour yung travel time namin. Sa pagdating dito, mga 5 minutes before time. So ang ginagawa ko, run papuntang from here, from our canteen, and I'll run before the first classroom ng college. Of course, I'll stop dahil hinihingal na ako. By that time, baka kasi paghikain, mabilis mahingal. So, babagalan ko muna para hindi ako makapag-disturb ng classes. Then when I reach this part, tatakbo ulit ako. Yan. There. Yan. Tapos aakyat tayo ng fast walk. So this time, hihingalin ulit ako. Medyo rest tayo. And watch out kasi gate na siya. So, slow down tayo. Look to the left. Look to the right. Pag walang dadaan, car, tatawid tayo. And there you go! We are here! So, that's my campus. There! Thank you very much for watching. Till our next video. Bye-bye!